Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds to answer. If you get 20 out of 25 correct, your brain is super active. Let's get started. Good luck. I am used. Getting up early. Right answer is B, 2. He tried hard. He failed the exam. Right answer is C, although. We arrived. Time to catch the train. Right answer is B, just in. It's the book I told you about. Right answer is A, that. There isn't milk in the fridge. Right answer is B, any. I going to the party if I finish my work. Right answer is A, will consider. She sings better than in the class. Right answer is C, anyone. He was tired. He went to bed early. Right answer is B, so. The children playing outside. Right answer is CR. I saw her, the letter. Right answer is A, writing. He to New York twice this year. Right answer is C, has gone. By the time we arrived, the show. Right answer is B, has ended. I don't know where he from. Right answer is A, came. The bag is too heavy, carry. Right answer is C, 2. I like the way the piano. Right answer is B, plays. He didn't let me. The form. Right answer is B, fill. I wish I taller. Right answer is C, were. I have finished my homework. Right answer is A, already. She is afraid. Spiders. Right answer is B, off. I haven't seen her. Last year. Right answer is C, since. The dress she bought is beautiful. Right answer is B, which. He played the guitar when he was 10. Right answer is C, could. My house is to the park. Right answer is A, near. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it. Right answer is C, boils. He was accused, stealing the purse. Right answer is C, off.